Good morning, everyone. My name is Ke Yujiang. The topic of my speech is the consequences of environmental degradation. Today, I'm feeling immensely fortunate to talk about a topic which is so relevant in today's world. Firstly, I would like to extend my gratitude towards my professor for allowing me to choose a subject quite familiar in the current scenario, that is environmental degradation. In simple words, the deterioration of natural surroundings affecting the natural habitat of other species and the natural ecosystem is termed as environmental degradation. It is one of the burning topics of discussion, and without its existence, the survival of any living beings are hardly possible. Despite knowing its negative consequences, the most superior living beings on the planet, humans, are purposely least concerned about the issue. They exploit the natural resources for their self-gain and completely forget the existence of a natural environment maintains perfect ecological surroundings. The exploiting group only cares about today and remains unnoticed about the disruption and massive impact that environmental degradation has on the future. A natural environment set up for all living beings, and humans are responsible force to protect it. Now to have an inquiry. Does anyone feel that needs to raise awareness about emerging issue of environmental degradation? There must be hardly a few individuals, even in the classroom, who are well concerned about the degrading state of clean and green environment. Humans are one species responsible for the exploitation of the natural resource that later result in degradation of the charm of the surrounding areas. It is also very distressing to see the most well-educated and sophisticated group of individuals whose concern about natural resources exploitation are only limited to the keyboards and the internet. They share their perspective about the burning issue in the social media platforms, but remain stagnant to act in accordance. If the educated groups like us feel inferior to protect our mother nature and only cares about the extract obtained from us, it demands our educational value. There are many causes and negative impacts of natural resources exploitation, which I am going to discuss. The common root of degrading the environment is cutting down of trees. People are using the tree trunk as construction material like paper, furniture, and medicines. It is overexploitation decrease the scenic beauty and most importantly, a cleaner and a greener environment. Not just the excessive deforestation activities, but the establishment of many industrial sites are adversely damaging the natural habitat, creating severe hardship for different forms of plants and other species. The separate living beings are not getting a proper place for survival because of the extensive removal of their natural surroundings and make it completely commercialized area of rapid industrial growth. I believe that the increase in the commercial sector enables a nation to be self-sufficient in terms of economic growth and adequate infrastructural industry, which are only pillars of development. But being ignorant and irresponsible towards Mother Nature and exploiting the environment extracts are inhuman acts. Likewise, industrialization growth means an abundance extract of chemical particles. It later results in acid rain after the harmful chemicals get mixed into water forms. Another environment problems like air pollution are bound to occur degrading the quality of the atmospheric region, which also becomes an adverse issue for aquatic lives. Also for the overconsumption, killing the sea creatures is a major blockage for reproduction. The verge of extinction is for sure. At last, to conclude my presentation, I just want to urge everyone to be a little more responsive and contribute their parts towards natural environment's conversation. Organizing community programs initiating the cultivation different plant varieties can be the first step towards building a cleaner and greener environment. At last, Let us all be responsible citizens and be an exemplary generation, leading by example in fulfilling the needs of sustainable nature world.